you about your resume being an advertisement. An advertisement is designed to get the attention of the customer. Your customers will be the employers. So your advertisement you will send to your employer. Your employer in return is the person that actually makes the decision of whether they want to actually look at your advertisement and give you an opportunity. When you get ready to talk to them for the very first time, it's important that you understand what to say. I'm going to give you a quick formula. And all you got to do is try to memorize this formula, and this formula is going to help you. We're going to do a little exercise before Ms. Tanya comes, and I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to need to do in order to make it happen. Is that fair enough? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to listen. You're going to state your name, what school you attend, what classification you are. Let's do a roll call. If I have any sophomores in the room, say, we here. My voice clap twice. My voice stand to your feet. Here we go, hands up just like this. You know what we're going to do? We're going to high five the person next to you. Here you go, 1, 2, ready to go. High five. Here we go, looking at your partner. Between you and your partner, you're going to decide whose birthday month comes first. Customer service industry, and then tell them a little bit about yourself. What type of person you are, that you know I'm a leader, I'm a hard worker, and I'm looking for a career opportunity. Here we go. Partner B, put your hands up like this, partner B. If you can hear my voice, clap once. If you can hear my voice, clap twice. If you can hear my voice, say, partner A, tell me about yourself.
Really excited to be here today because it's a great opportunity for youth to find out more about the practical skills needed to find jobs.